This is opening a box from Big Toe. This is a nice one.
Oh.
Well, most it's nice. This is special mugs. Again. Have to open it. For the first time I can open a package.
Careful for your fingers.
Don't worry, it will not take 1 hour or 3 hours.
I'm not convinced.
Something like that. So, okay.
Okay, what's in there?
This is it.
Oh,
The moment of truth.
the truth.
What's going on? Wow! Earthware. Plastic. Where's the mug? Oh, come here, baby. It's very well packed, always. Compliments.
You mean this is not your first? I see.
There's nothing in there.
Are you
I
sure?
think there's nothing in there for now.
No.
So let's transfer to this.
Okay.
Whoa! I get this!
Oh wow.
The Big Toe thing! Oh, so it's a harassing. It's a surprise. Because I was about to ask maybe I can buy that one too also. Because it's a small one. Maybe he can sneak into. But that's a nice goodie.
Wow.
So,
What else is there?
Big Toe. Wow. Wait, there's a message. Okay. It's private. This is nice. That's a nice one. Mini goodies. I love this one too.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I'm gonna put this in my uniform or in my bed while I'm working. I have this. And they say, what is that? I get it from Big Toe. Like that. It's so nice, huh?
Oh wow.
It's nice. So let's move on to the next chapter. The most awaited. Cost me a lot of sleepless nights. It's very well packed, eh? Big Toe and white, I think. That guy.
Tiki Diablo.
Tiki Diablo. Ooh, here comes the bride. Stop back. Spawning. Sit boy. Oh, it's Christmas! Where is it? Oh, it's in the thing. Yeah.
Wow.
Very nice.
That's really nice. Wow. Very nice.
Nice. I love it so much. Facebook group present the collector. Nice.
Cool.
Tiki Diablo.
Tiki Diablo.
Tiki Diablo. I'm loving it. Tiki's TC. Tiki Diablo, number 132. I get the spot on number 132. Tiki Diablo, 2019. It's already for a while then. 2019. Other start. Very nice. Ooh.
Very cool.
So let's enjoy some tiki of this. Do you think? No. I wouldn't dare.
You will not use it?
Oh, I just want to look at it.
Oh, it's a museum piece.
I will use it. Just me.
Wait.
And you if you're lucky.
I'm not
So-
sure if I dare to use that.
So
one.
happy with this big toe thing.
It's beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Like you.
Turn it off.
Wait. Okay, let's turn it on. Bye-bye.
Bye. Aloha.